Kung gusto mo ng kotseng fuel efficient and at the same time powerful, check mo tong new arrival natin. I got you ulit. Good morning guys. Meron tayong new arrival, 2018 Ford Ranger 4x2 manual transmission, exterior wise, fresh original paint at 16 inches wheels, bagong-bago yung mga tires. At sa harap, halogen headlight, fog lamps, functional grille at zero ang ending. At sa engine is a 2.2 liter 4-cylinder 6-speed manual transmission, turbo diesel engine at yung kondisyon ng makina napakaganda. Magdala ka ng scanner at mekaniko para ma-assure mo. At dito sa loob, super intact na headliner, fresh fabric seats at napakagandang dashboard, digital display, traditional infotainment system, climate control, mini storage, 6-speed manual, 2 cup holders, center console, at napaka-fresh na steering wheel. May mga controls na rin dito. Analog display with 58,000 kilometers on the clock only. At vanity mirror sa passenger side. May shade holder na rin to. At sa second row naman, nothing special pero okay ang leg, shoulder, and headroom. 6 pat ang height ko. At sa pinakalikod naman, nakaka-camper shell na to. Orig pa yung mga taillight. At sa trunk, medyo mabigat yung tailgate pero maluwag yung trunk space at kompleto ng tools, spare tire, and jack. So this is the 2018 Ford Ranger manual transmission 4x2. So kung gusto nyo to guys, for only 795,000 pesos lang, mauuwi mo na to. Open to for cash, trade-in and financing. So tawag ka na, bago ka maunahan dito. Thank you guys. Peace out.